Hey guys and girls, welcome from explore.com. In this video, I'll be discussing about how to create how to connect your database with PHP and MySQL. Okay, so let's go with that. First, you are trying to create a connecting database with PHP and MySQL, right? In my previous video, I have shown you how to create a database, how to add user to the database in my server, right? In the server. Uh, Whereas coming to if you want to connect your database with PHP, I'll tell you how to program that. First, in order to connect your database with PHP, you have to use two functions called as PHP functions called as MySQL Connect. One is MySQL Connect, and the second one is MySQL Connect DB. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let me program that. So in my server, I have this one dbconfig.php. I created a file called dbconfig.php here, and now I'm writing a program for connecting the database with PHP. Okay. So first you have to start with PHP program /php. These are the tags, default tags, and I will select a variable called as connection, and I'll assign. Now I have to connect the database, right? So for me, I have three input parameters, that is MySQL connect. In this function, I have three parameters. One, we have to type the host name, okay, and second one is you have to type the username of that database username, okay, a DB username, and third one is you have to type the password, DB password, okay, that is database password, okay, fine. So this is how it goes with MySQL Connect. So let me type the host name as localhost, and second one is let me make it as DB username as what I have given in previous video. I have created as explore A1 users, right? And next is what is the password? Password is user1, right? If you go to my previous video, I have shown this. And what if my connection fails? So for that you have to write the error handling code, right? So if not equal to $, you have to make the program type, right? Type connection unsuccessful / MySQL error. Okay, right. Next, I have to connect the database. Now this is the local host name. This is host. First field is host name. MySQL Connect host name, and that is the database username and database password. Database username password. Okay. Suppose you might have been your database might be having many users. Suppose if you take a big organization, there will be a single database but multiple users who access the database. So for that you will be writing the username and all. So, and next, coming to connection unsuccessful MySQL. Now connect your main database. How to connect the main database? We have to use this second type of command, that is MySQL Connect DB. See here, MySQL Connect DB. We have to use this command. Okay, MySQL Connect DB. Let's do that. I will take another variable, that is data select DB select. Okay, and I will assign this to MySQL Connect MySQL select DB, right? So which database you are selecting? We have created the database name as Explorer user1. This is the username. Sorry, username is the database username is Explorer A1 underscore user1. Okay, here the main database name is Explorer A1 users. Users is our database. Okay, so next I'll be passing the variable which I have connected here, that is MySQL Connect. So con variable con. That's it. Okay, so what if my DB connection fails? So you have to write the error handling over there. $com $db select. Okay, die connection unsuccessful. Okay, dot mysql error. So this is how you'll be writing your program, and you just run that. I'll just be running this one. Okay, exploreall.com/rajesh/dbconfig.php. Okay, so I have an authentication, right? I have to see here. So you didn't get any error. So that is called as your DB is connected successfully. So you can now you can just implement anything. If you want to insert your users and all, or you have to add the data. If you want to create a contact database, or if you want to create a content, a web page content, and you can just select your table, and you can fetch the table by using the PHP program here. And make sure that how you'll be connecting this. Suppose that now I have another file name called as. Let me take a new file name. Suppose I have a file name called as test.php. Okay, so what I do, so in my test.php I have all the content from database. Okay, in order to connect this database, you have this connection file, right? dbconfig.php. You have to include this in every page where you connect the database, where you connect your web page to the database. Okay, so for that, what you have to do is you have to include that file. Okay, php $php include dbconfig.php. Okay, that's it. And you are done with this. Okay, whenever you include this file, and here in between here you can write any database in PHP code. Okay, whatever connection code. Suppose if you have a page in your database and you want to fetch that web page onto your page, you can just write some query here, select star from pages and all like that. Whatever you want, whatever your logic code is going to be written here. So that is how you will be connecting the database and by using MySQL and PHP. So that is, guys. Let me catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.